Hi there, welcome to my channel Ram's Happy Whispers. Today's topic is movement, main course of happiness. Well, if you want to have happiness in your life, you have to be on the wheels. You have to move every single day. Are you getting me? So, what is movement all about? Movement means act or process of moving, especially change of place, position, or posture. Are you getting me? So, for example, we all are into routine, right? At times, we have to do something which is away from the routine. Are you getting me? Something variety. Variety is the spice of life. We all know about it. And then we have to get that variety into life. You have to do something different. Are you getting me? On weekends, in the month end. So, whatever be the case, whenever you want to do some variety, and get some difference in your life, just go have it. So movement is very important. This movement can be simply walk. Are you getting me? Morning walk, evening walk, or else just when you're stuck in a work, after some time, let's say after 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours, just go stand up and have a walk. Are you getting me? Just go move. You should not stuck. Whatever you do, when you're moving continuously, you have to change that activity. Are you getting me? For example, you're continuously moving in a single day, then you have to stop. You have to change the activity, change the position, posture, or place. Are you getting me? Change the activity is also said to be movement. When you are doing only one activity, which means you're stuck in that motion, so you have to change that. Are you getting me? So if at all you're thinking most often the times, then you have to stop, give it a break, and then do something other than that, because change is inevitable. You have to move. Are you getting me? You might think that movement means doing only one single activity. That is what is said to be movement. Are you getting me? Act of process of moving is what I talked about, right? So you might be thinking that when you're walking, so that's moving, right? So that is moving, which is why you'll do for continuously for 24 hours. Are you getting me? Of course that is movement, but still you are stuck in that energy, you're stuck in that one act. So there has to be a change over there as well. When you're stuck in one act, though you're moving, are you getting me? Outwardly it might look that you're moving, but generally it is not considered as moving, because you're stuck over there. You have to get out of it. So change. When you are stuck in the routine, just go do a variety. Don't think that every single day you have to get variety. When you do this, again eventually over a period of time it becomes routine. Isn't it so? So again you have to change. So change is inevitable. Change your routine, change your place, position, posture, or whatsoever. Be in motion all the time. Are you getting me? I mean, motion in the sense change, even rest. You might not be doing that activity. Rest is not completely leaving everything, abandoning everything. No, that's not rest. You're changing the activity. Let's say you're writing, you've been writing for 4 hours or 5 hours. Just take break for 15 minutes. That you're changing the act. That is what is called rest. Are you getting me? You're giving rest to your hand, and you're giving rest. You're activating your brain, or you're doing some other work. Are you getting me? So change gets happiness into your life. So movement is very important. That's all for today. Bye bye for now.